What's going on? I'm going to be going over my themed everyday carry based around Super Mario Bros. I'll have a couple other videos on my previous EDCs if you want to check those out. I'll have them linked in the description. Now let's get into it. First up, I just wanted to cover my shirt. This is the Splatoon 2 Splatfest Superstar tee, and I got it from Nintendo's website. Now for the first real item, it's my keys. They're on this Super Mario Star keychain with the gold metal pieces and the black cloth. And on the keychain, I have this 3D printed self-defense keyring. It's printed in this transparent red, and I'm not sure how well it'll actually work, but it's kind of cool. Next is the Game & Watch keychain of Mario's Cement Factory. I keep it separate to keep the screen from getting scratched up. And attached to it, I have this little screen wipe that has Lakitu on it for cleaning off all my screens. As for the Game & Watch itself, it's Mario's Cement Factory, so you have to get the cement into the trucks without falling off the platforms. It's decent, and I think it's really cool that it looks like a mini Game Boy. On that same side, I keep this door handle grabber. It is 3D printed from the same transparent red filament, and it's attached to this brown string, which is tied to a carabiner with hand sanitizer hooked onto it. I use it so I don't have to touch public doors or keypads. I use these at work and they work really well. This is the 35th anniversary Super Mario Game & Watch. If you want to check it out, I have an unboxing and review on my channel. But it's a Game & Watch and it comes with 3 games, Super Mario Bros., Super Mario Bros. 2, and Game & Watch Ball. It has a bunch of other cool and hidden features, and is an awesome collector's item. It plays surprisingly well for the size. It's not going to be the best experience out there, but it's an awesome novelty. Here is just a 3D printed red coin from Mario. I just have this as a little fidget coin. It is printed with a higher infill so that it's a little heavier than normal 3D prints. It still won't compare to a metal coin, but it has a nice texture and is fun to flip. In the same pocket, I have this little red light. I just have this because you never know when you'll need a light and might as well have it as small as possible, and the red color just fits the theme. Now for my phone. I am still rocking the Samsung Note 8. Unfortunately, it's starting to show its age a little, so I might be doing an upgrade soon. But I do love this phone for the fact that it has the little pin and a headphone jack. For my watch, it's the Samsung Galaxy Watch. I've had it for almost a year now, and I still love it just as much as the day I got it. You can change the watch faces, customize it, and make it your own. You can download games and different applications. It's a really nice watch. Next up are my rings. The first one is this 3D printed one. It's just black and it's supposed to look like a dragon tail, which gives it a pretty cool texture. The one on the other hand is this dice ring. It acts as a fidget spinner and also as a 20-sided die. It's definitely my favorite ring I've had so far. My earbuds of choice are the Turtle Beach Battle Buds. They come in this little black bag. They have these ear hooks to keep them in your ears better. The sound quality is good for the price. There are inline controls for volume control and mic mute. And they even have a detachable mic for better audio quality. In my back pocket, I carry my wallet. It's a pretty basic wallet that looks like an NES controller. Unfortunately, it uses Velcro to open, but other than that, it's a pretty good wallet with plenty of space for cards, cash, and even coins. In here, I'm still carrying around this wallet tool. It has more tools built in than you'll ever probably use it for. Now for my knife. It is a red and black karambit style pocket knife from Tac Force. It's easy to open and close, has a decent sized blade for opening boxes and other daily tasks, and has a clip to keep it in your pocket. This is my mask from Primitive. It's just a simple reusable mask. It covers a lot of the face, has adjustable ear straps, a metal nose piece, and replaceable filter. If I find room, I also like to carry around these playing cards. They are the Platinum playing cards from Club Nintendo when that was still a thing. I think they're really cool cards. They're plastic with a clear see-through design. The artwork on them is really nice and they feel really good to shuffle in your hand. That was my Super Mario Bros. Themed EDC. Let me know what your favorite item was down in the comments. And what video game EDC items do you carry? Going forward, I think I'm going to try to do these once a month. And if you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech and gaming content every week. Thanks for watching.
He's gonna be coming. Anvil right here. Oh fuck, he got me, dude.
Whoa, he's lagging.
He's coming around to you. One of them's getting picked up. Yeah, one got picked up. He's right here by me. Nice. He's coming around to you.
Seconds.
Nice
Oh my
job,
baby.
dude. Good fucking job.
Holy shit.
Bombs down. Don't leave it behind.